Okay, it's recording.
Say, Sweeney, you're on camera. Bless you. He sneezed. He's like, I don't know who let this bird go, but they were idiots.
Right?
He's the most cutest little bird on the planet, right? Right, sweetie pie. Yeah, sweetie.
Rye's jealous.
Rye's just bored.
Jealous and bored. I know Dew's jealous. Whoever let this bird go was an idiot. Like, they say training a bungee or a parakeet is real easy, so, and they say they like lots of attention. Oh, did it just kiss you? That's the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. One day you guys are gonna get married. Would you marry him?
No, not marrying a bird.
Would you marry him if he was a person? Aww.
Thank you, baby. Kiss, kiss.
He's like a mini Dew.
Kiss, kiss.
No kiss kiss?
No kiss, kiss.
Well, you just gave him it just gave you lots of kisses.
Up, up. Come on, up, up.
I think it just wants to eat you.
You wanna go up, up? Come on. No, you wanna stay on my shoulder? You wanna go up, up? Come on, up, up. Come on, up, up. No? You wanna go up, up? He's behind me, isn't he?
Huh?
He's behind me, isn't he?
No, he's really on behind your shoulder.
Baby, come on.
Do not get close to me. Cause you know I'm scared of that thing.
You wanna go to the next kids?
No, 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 no,
I
no.
can't go over there anyway.
Huh?
I can't go over there anyway.
Why?
Because of the big thing up there.
Oh, thank you.
Your mom doesn't want us going over there because it's slimy and we get stuck.
Hee hee. Found a trick.
Sweetie?
We gotta get that thing's wings cut.
Oh, come on. He likes to fly.
Like barely any time. Likes to fly and scare the fudge out of me. Yeah. There you go. Oh. Ah!
No, he wants to stay on my shoulder. I
Mom?
tried getting him on my chest.
What?
I tried getting him on my chest. Like, you know how Dew goes on
Yeah.
your mom's chest? I
Yeah.
tried doing that. He's like, no, I want on your shoulder. He's a shoulder kind of bird.
Yeah.
You want to try and go in the cage now? Come on, in the cage. No.
Nope. On her back.
Baby, you gotta go in the cage. Come on, in the cage. Come on, in the cage. This is working so well.
Huh?
This is working so well. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
You gotta go in the cage. Should I just stick my whole head in there?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay. Oh no! No! No!
Wait, stop! Come here, come here. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Come
Okay,
on.
I'm gonna stop the camera.
Come on, baby. It's okay.